Laba diena! I have really limited time today, 3 hours max. So without further ado, let's stick this casting onto chipboard offcut and let's head to my colleague's wildbat sander. I'm really lucky, the setup is perfect. I have 40 grit belt on the first unit and 120 on the second. So this will allow me to be really aggressive with the first pass, and I can even everything out with the second unit. I could just stop it at this stage and call it a wall art and it would be a great success. But the next step is to place it into the bucket and fill like maybe a couple of centimeters of epoxy on top of it. And let me explain you why. Let's assume this is a cross section of the background plate I made, and a client wants to have the pins above it in the mid-air, if you will. So that's why I have to create a layer of epoxy above it, so I would be able to place the pins and they would be suspended from the background. The only remaining question left is to think of some solution to how to secure the plate onto the bottom, because if I would fill the epoxy in this condition, it would just float up. Yeah, I think I should glue it somehow. Seems to hold. As you have seen, there was some bubbles left, but I really have no time left, so yeah, it should be okay. It should pop by themselves, so yeah, we will see tomorrow. Anyway, sincerely thank you for watching, and till tomorrow. Bye bye!